Let's travel back in time about 252 million years ago to the start of the Triassic period. This era marks a pivotal chapter in Earth's history, a time of dramatic transformation and rebirth. The world was recovering from a cataclysmic event that had wiped out nearly all life forms. It was the beginning of the Mesozoic era, often called the Age of Reptiles. This era would eventually see the rise of some of the most iconic creatures to ever walk the Earth. Early reptiles began to diversify and adapt to the changing environment, setting the stage for future evolutionary marvels. More importantly, it was the dawn of the dinosaurs. These early dinosaurs were small and nimble, a far cry from the gigantic beasts that would dominate the later periods. They roamed the prehistoric forest, leaving behind tracks that tell us their story today. The Triassic was a very different time. The climate was harsh, with extreme temperatures and arid conditions in many regions, yet life found a way to thrive in these challenging environments. Imagine a world without flowers, only ferns and conifers. These plants dominated the landscape, providing the primary source of food and shelter for the early reptiles and dinosaurs. The absence of flowering plants meant that the ecosystem was vastly different from what we see today. The continents were jammed together into one giant landmass called Pangaea. This supercontinent influenced the climate and ocean currents, creating unique environmental conditions that shaped the evolution of life during the Triassic. The Triassic wasn't just the start of something new, it followed the biggest extinction Earth has ever seen. This mass extinction event, known as the Permian extinction, eradicated nearly 90% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrates. The Permian extinction wiped out most life, setting the stage for new creatures like dinosaurs to evolve. This period of recovery and adaptation led to the emergence of diverse and resilient species, paving the way for the incredible biodiversity we observe in the fossil record today. The Triassic climate was extreme. Pangaea's interior was a vast desert, scorching hot during the day and freezing at night. The coasts were more humid, but violent monsoons were common. These harsh conditions favored reptiles who were adapted to conserve water and tolerate heat. Early dinosaurs, small and nimble, thrived in this environment. Volcanoes were also very active during the Triassic, spewing out carbon dioxide and warming the planet. These changes created opportunities for some animals but spelled doom for others. Dinosaurs didn't appear overnight. Their story began over 230 million years ago during the Triassic period. They evolved slowly from small, lizard-like ancestors called archosaurs. These archosaurs were among the dominant reptiles of their time. These early dinosaurs were small, probably no bigger than a dog. What set them apart? It was their unique adaptations. Dinosaurs developed an upright posture with their legs tucked beneath their bodies. This posture was a significant evolutionary advantage. This allowed them to move faster and more efficiently than their sprawling rivals. Speed and agility became their trademarks. These early dinosaurs were also quick and agile, with sharp teeth for catching prey. Their diet was diverse, ranging from insects to small vertebrates. They were perfectly adapted to hunt the insects and small reptiles that shared their world. This adaptability was key to their survival and eventual dominance. Section 4. Competitors in a crowded world. Dinosaurs weren't alone in the Triassic. They shared the planet with a variety of other reptiles, many much larger and fiercer. These competitors included the phytosaurs, which looked like modern crocodiles, and the rauisuchians, fearsome predators that walked on four legs. Despite the competition, dinosaurs were slowly gaining an advantage. Their upright posture and efficient movement helped them to outcompete their rivals for food and resources. Section 5. The Dawn of Giants. By the end of the Triassic, around 201 million years ago, dinosaurs were becoming more diverse. This period marked a significant shift in the Earth's biological landscape. The once dominant reptiles were now sharing their habitats with these emerging giants. The climate was changing, and with it, the flora and fauna adapted, creating new niches for dinosaurs to exploit. Some, like Plateosaurus, were growing larger, reaching lengths of over 30 feet. These herbivorous giants roamed the land, feeding on the abundant vegetation. Their size offered them protection from predators and allowed them to travel great distances in search of food. The evolution of such large dinosaurs was a testament to the changing environment and the opportunities it presented. The stage was set for the Jurassic period, when dinosaurs would truly dominate the planet and evolve into the awe-inspiring giants we know from fossils. This era saw the rise of some of the most iconic dinosaurs, such as the long-necked sauropods and the fearsome theropods. The Jurassic was a time of great innovation and adaptation as dinosaurs continued to evolve and diversify. The dawn of the dinosaurs wasn't just about their evolution, it marked a turning point in life's history. This period laid the foundation for the complex ecosystems that would follow. Dinosaurs became the dominant terrestrial vertebrates, influencing the evolution of other species and the structure of ecosystems. Their presence shaped the course of life on Earth in profound ways. It was the beginning of a reign that would last for over 150 million years, shaping the world we live in today. The legacy of the dinosaurs is still evident in the modern world, from the birds that are their direct descendants to the fossilized remains that continue to captivate our imagination. The story of the dinosaurs is a testament to the power of evolution and the ever-changing nature of life on Earth.